Welcome to Sargodha, nestled in the heart of Punjab, Pakistan. Known as the City of Eagles, Sargodha is a captivating blend of rich cultural heritage and stunning natural beauty. Sargodha's roots run deep, a testament to a rich and vibrant past. From the Mughal era to today, the city has witnessed the ebb and flow of civilizations. The imposing Sargodha fort, built during Maharaja Ranjit Singh's reign, stands as a silent sentinel. Sargodha's spiritual heart beats strong, with shrines like Baba Nur Shah's attracting devotees. The city's moniker, the citrus capital of Pakistan, speaks volumes about its agricultural prowess. Vast orchards laden with citrus fruits paint the landscape in hues of green and gold. Generations of farmers have nurtured the soil, coaxing forth an abundance of oranges, grapefruits, and the famed kinno. Beyond its agricultural bounty, Sargodha boasts a rich architectural heritage. Intricately carved wooden doors open into havelis, showcasing the craftsmanship of a bygone era. Venturing beyond the city's limits, we embark on a journey into the heart of nature's embrace. Here, the hustle and bustle of urban life give way to the serene and tranquil rhythms of the countryside. We find ourselves amidst a landscape shaped by nature's artistry, where every element seems to be in perfect harmony. The rolling plains and gentle hills create a picturesque scene that feels almost timeless. The fertile plains, nourished by the Indus River, stretch out as far as the eye can see. This river, a lifeline for the region, has supported countless generations, providing water and sustenance to the land and its people. This is the breadbasket of Punjab, where generations of farmers have worked in harmony with the land. Their dedication and hard work have transformed these fields into a thriving agricultural hub, producing an abundance of crops that feed millions. The air, alive with the scent of freshly tilled earth and blooming wildflowers, carries the gentle hum of rural life. It's a symphony of nature, where every sound and scent tells a story of growth and renewal. Bullock carts laden with produce trundle along dusty paths, their drivers sharing stories and laughter. These scenes of rural life, unchanged for centuries, offer a glimpse into a simpler, more connected way of living. The region is dotted with pockets of wilderness, havens for a surprising diversity of flora and fauna. These natural sanctuaries are vital for maintaining the ecological balance and supporting the rich biodiversity of the area. Forest reserves, like One Bakhran, provide sanctuary to a variety of birdlife. Here, the songs of birds fill the air, creating a vibrant and dynamic soundscape that is both soothing and invigorating. Rivers and canals that crisscross the region are corridors of biodiversity where kingfishers and herons thrive. These waterways are not just sources of water, but are lifelines that support a myriad of species, creating a rich tapestry of life that is both beautiful and essential. Our journey takes us westward, where the landscape undergoes a dramatic transformation. The salt range rises from the plains, a striking silhouette against the sky. Deep within the salt range lies the Kera salt mine, a subterranean wonderland. The mine's vast chambers, illuminated by a soft glow, reveal a world sculpted entirely from salt. Intricate carvings, shimmering salt waterfalls, and even a mosque carved from salt stand as a testament to nature's artistry. The salt range is steeped in history and legend. High atop a hill stands the ruins of Tilla Yogian, an ancient temple complex shrouded in mystery. The views from Tilla Yogian offer a panoramic vista of the surrounding landscape. Chapter 4. A land of sunshine and seasons. The sun beats down on Sargodha, painting the landscape in hues of gold and ochre. The fields stretch out endlessly, bathed in a warm, golden light that seems to make everything shimmer. It's a sight that captures the essence of summer in this region, where the sun reigns supreme and the days are long and bright. Summers are long and hot, the air thick with the scent of dust and ripening fruit. The heat is relentless, pressing down on the land and its people. The roads are dusty and the orchards are heavy with fruit, their sweet aroma mingling with the earthy scent of the soil. It's a time of hard work and anticipation, as farmers tend to their crops, hoping for a bountiful harvest. The sun dictates the rhythm of life, driving people indoors during the hottest hours. Streets that are bustling in the early morning and late evening become eerily quiet at midday, as the heat forces everyone to seek shelter. Homes become sanctuaries, where families gather to escape the sun's relentless glare. Birds seek refuge in the shade of trees, while farmers tend to their fields. The trees provide a welcome respite from the sun, their leaves rustling softly in the breeze. Farmers, accustomed to the heat, work tirelessly, their movements deliberate and measured. It's a scene of quiet determination as life continues despite the oppressive heat. As the monsoon season approaches, the air grows heavy with anticipation. The sky darkens and the first hints of rain can be felt in the air. It's a time of waiting as the land and its people prepare for the coming deluge. The anticipation is palpable, a mix of hope and relief. Clouds gather on the horizon, promising relief from the oppressive heat. The sky takes on a dramatic hue, with dark clouds rolling in and the wind picking up. It's a sight that brings a sense of excitement and relief, as the promise of rain becomes more certain. The land seems to hold its breath, waiting for the first drops to fall. A deluge of water transforms the parched landscape into a verdant paradise. The rain falls in sheets, soaking the earth and bringing new life to the fields. The transformation is almost magical, as the dry, cracked soil gives way to lush, green growth. It's a time of renewal and rejuvenation as the land comes alive once more. Rivers swell, breathing life into the fields. The water flows with a newfound vigor, spreading out across the land and nourishing the crops. It's a sight that brings joy and relief to the farmers who watch as their fields are revitalized. The rivers, once mere trickles, become powerful forces of nature, shaping the landscape and sustaining life. The air, washed clean by the rain, carries the scent of wet earth and new beginnings. The world feels fresh and new, as if it has been given a second chance. The rain-soaked earth is soft underfoot and the fields are a vibrant green. It's a time of growth and possibility as the land and its people look forward to the future. Winter brings a welcome respite from the heat. The days grow shorter and the air turns cool and crisp. Mornings are often misty with a soft, ethereal quality that makes the world seem almost magical. It's a time of rest and reflection as the land takes a break from the intense heat of summer. The air turns crisp and cool, the skies are brilliant blue. The landscape takes on a new beauty with the clear, cold air making everything seem sharper and more defined. It's a time of quiet beauty as the world slows down and prepares for the coming spring. The landscape takes on more subdued palette as the trees shed their leaves. The bare branches create intricate patterns against the sky, and the fallen leaves carpet the ground in shades of brown and gold. It's a time of subtle beauty as the world prepares for the renewal of spring. Families gather around crackling fires, sharing stories and laughter. The warmth of the fire and the company of loved ones create a sense of coziness and contentment. It's a time of togetherness as people come together to share the joys and challenges of life. Spring arrives in a burst of color, a celebration of life after winter's slumber. The fields are filled with vibrant flowers and the air is alive with the sounds of birds and insects. It's a time of renewal and growth as the world awakens from its winter sleep and bursts into life once more. Chapter 5. When life revolves around the harvest. In Sargodha, life revolves around the land and its bounty. The agricultural calendar dictates the rhythm of life, each season bringing its own unique activities and celebrations. The Citrus Festival captures the spirit of Sargodha, a vibrant celebration of the city's most famous export. As the Kinno oranges ripen, the city comes alive with anticipation. The festival is a riot of color, music and aromas. Stalls overflow with freshly harvested Kinnos, their sweet scent filling the air. Farmers proudly display their produce, competing for prizes, while visitors savor the juicy fruit. The Citrus Festival is a celebration of a way of life, a testament to the bond between the people of Sargodha and the land. And Chapter 6. A taste of Punjab on your plate. As the sun sets, the aroma of spices wafts through the air, inviting indulgence in Sargodha's culinary delights. The streets come alive with the hustle and bustle of vendors setting up their stalls, each one offering a unique taste of Punjab. From sizzling kebabs to sweet jalebis, the variety is endless and the flavors are rich and diverse. Food here is an expression of culture, a celebration of flavor, and a testament to the Punjabi spirit. Every meal is a story, a narrative of tradition and community. The locals take immense pride in their culinary heritage, and it shows in every bite. The vibrant colors, the aromatic spices, and the hearty portions all speak volumes about the love and care that goes into preparing each dish. In Sargodha, the day begins with a hearty breakfast. The streets are filled with the enticing smell of freshly cooked food as vendors prepare for the morning rush. People gather around small stalls, enjoying their first meal of the day in the company of friends and family. It's a communal experience, one that sets the tone for the rest of the day. Freshly baked roti, cooked on a traditional tawa, is a staple accompanied by a variety of flavorful dishes. From spicy chickpea curry to creamy yogurt, the breakfast spread is both nourishing and delicious. Each bite is a burst of flavor, a perfect blend of spices and textures that leave you craving for more. Sarg, made from mustard greens, is a local favorite, its earthy flavor enhanced by butter and chilies. This dish is often paired with maki di roti, a type of cornmeal flatbread, creating a combination that is both hearty and satisfying. The rich, creamy texture of the sarg, combined with the slightly crispy roti, makes for a meal that is both comforting and indulgent. Lunch and dinner are grand affairs, a time for families and friends to gather and share a meal. The table is set with an array of dishes, each one more tempting than the last. It's a time for laughter, for stories, and for creating memories. The sense of community is strong, and the bonds are strengthened over shared plates of food. Large platters of fragrant rice, curries, vegetables, and lentil dishes grace the table. Each dish is a masterpiece, a testament to the culinary skills of the cook. The flavors are bold and the portions generous, ensuring that no one leaves the table hungry. It's a feast for the senses, a celebration of the rich culinary heritage of Punjab. No meal in Sargodha is complete without a taste of the city's famed citrus fruits. The Kino oranges are a particular favorite, their bright color and sweet, tangy flavor making them a perfect end to any meal. The markets are filled with these juicy fruits, each one a burst of sunshine in your mouth. Kino oranges, their juice bursting with flavor, are a refreshing end to any meal. They are not just a treat for the taste buds, but also a source of pride for the people of Sargodha. Each bite is a reminder of the fertile land and the hard work of the farmers who cultivate these delicious fruits. It's the perfect way to conclude a meal, leaving you with a sweet and satisfying taste of Punjab. Outro until next time, Sargodha. From its ancient forts and sacred shrines to its vibrant markets and the warmth of its people, Sargodha has woven its magic. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more fascinating explorations, taking you to the far corners of our incredible planet.